Getting started. Flip the power switch on the back of the instrument. The display will turn on and the instrument will take a few minutes to initialize. Look at the right side of the screen. If there's an exclamation in the yellow box, press on it. If there's an interval warning, please tell your professor and contact the scientific instrument specialist. Press on X to close the window. Pull the sample compartment door forward to open. Select the desired polarimeter tube. 10 mm tube, has a sample volume of 0.02 milliliters, better for more concentrated samples. 100 mm tube, 2 mm sample volume, better for more dilute samples. Note, do not touch the polarimeter tube windows. Place the polarimeter tube into the tube holder. The plastic base fits into the square hole in the tube holder. The instrument will automatically detect the polarimeter tube and load a method. Close the sample compartment. Setting up a method, optical rotation. Optical rotation with the cell size should already be selected. If not, press on method and select the appropriate method with cell size. Press on quick settings. Some parameters will be present. To add more parameters, press on parameter selection. Press on the blank line next to the green plus sign. Press on quantity. A drop-down menu will appear to select the desired parameter. Measurement accuracy to set how precise to measure. Timeout to set how long the instrument will wait for the measurement data to stabilize. After that time, the measurement cancels. Wavelength to select different wavelengths. Hold time to set temperature equilibration time. Select the desired parameter. Press on OK. Repeat these steps to add more parameters. When finished adding parameters, press on OK. Set experiment parameters, then press on OK. Sample name. Keyboard will open and press OK when finished with name. Temperature can be set to 20 degrees Celsius or 25 degrees Celsius. Measurement accuracy to set precision parameters. Wavelength can be set to 365 nanometers, 436 nanometers, or 589 nanometers. Timeout can be set up to 3600 seconds. Hold time can be set up to 3600 seconds. Press on OK. Press on instrument 0. Wait a minute as the instrument zeros. Filling polarimeter tube and starting a run. To fill the polarimeter tube, you will need tubing with white adapters, a waste beaker, and a 5 ml syringe. Place the waste beaker in the sample compartment, then attach the waste tubing and place the other end in the waste beaker. Note, when filling the polarimeter tube, avoid introducing any bubbles. Bubbles or air in the polarimeter tube will affect the measurement. Use the 5 ml syringe to slowly fill the polarimeter tube. Keep filling until the sample begins to pour into the waste beaker. The polarimeter tube is now full. Remove the tubing and syringe, then close the sample compartment. Click on Start. The instrument will wait for the measurement to stabilize and automatically record the measurement. Exporting data. Note, export data immediately. Data deletes after 24 hours and 200 measurements. Insert a USB into the left side of the instrument. Press on Measurement Data. Press and hold the desired data to bring up Export. Press on Export. Select Print Report or Export Data. If printing a report, name the file and then press on OK. Press on OK. Wait for the file to finish exporting and then press on OK. If exporting data, select the file format, Excel or text, name the file, then press on OK. Wait for the file to finish exporting, then press on OK. Remove the USB. Cleaning the polarimeter tube. Clean the polarimeter tube after use with the following components: tubing with one white fitting and one lure fitting, a 20 ml syringe, a 50 ml syringe. Depending on the sample solvent, use the following cleaning solvents: aqueous sample solvent, first 50 ml DI water, then 20 ml ethanol. Organic solvents, first 50 ml ethanol, then 20 ml acetone. Flush the polarimeter tube with the first solvent into the waste beaker. Then flush the polarimeter tube with the second solvent into the waste beaker. Remove the tubing and remove the polarimeter tube. Close the sample compartment. Use a large piece of tubing to dry the polarimeter tube with nitrogen gas. Return the polarimeter tube to its storage box. Shutdown. Flip the power switch on the back of the instrument. The display will turn off. Place the polarimeter supplies back on top of the instrument. The instrument SOP should be located next to the instrument. If assistance is needed, please look in the instrument SOP for the contact information of the scientific instrument specialist.